Tuesday, the 30th of June. We are in the city of La Guaira in Venezuela, whereby the donations have come in from Al-Khair, have just reached the epicenter of the earthquake. In our truck, we've got a truck filled with water, with Arabic bread, with a lot of different types of cans, and the most important that the teams and the rescue teams need right now is tools. We would like to thank Al-Khair Foundation once again for all these donations that they have given to the people of Venezuela.